Hello everyone. So I decided now to make juice. If you want healthy, natural, organic juice for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, you can always order from me. And here I have three different types of juice. Starting from this one, these has celery, grapes, ginger, and other green vegetables. And if you take this one, it can help you to get rid of bloated stomach. It will help you to go to the toilet very well, for your normal regular bowel movement. So this bottle is $8. This is organic natural juice. If you want to order, you can always order from me, Cecilia, or this is $8. There's pineapple, ginger, all these vegetables, natural vegetable that will help you to detox your system with all the nutrient vitamins that your body needs, antioxidant also. So this is another type of juice. It has orange, it has mango, it has pineapple, it has green grapes, it has ginger. It has different stuff in it. And this is also $8. If you need this is natural, organic, healthy juice that will give you all the vitamins that you need. Please contact me. You can get this for your loved ones, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. Just DM, send me a direct message. And this is the same as this. And this one is actually $4, while this is $8. So if you need this, contact me. These are your healthy, organic, natural juice. And here I have another type, healthy, organic, natural juice. This one, it has red grapes. It has different stuff in here that can help you to lose weight, that can help your skin to glow naturally. So if you need this, just contact me. This is $8. This is $4. And we're just a click away from you. You can always order from us. Again, we have all this healthy, natural, organic juice that I sell from Cecilia Howard, and I use natural fruits and vegetables like this that you're seeing: pineapple, organic green apple, red grapes. I also use green grapes and other ingredients to make this. Contact us. What are you waiting for? Send in your order. And by the way, I don't do 2 bottles. The minimum I do, it starts from 10 bottles. Yes, the minimum I can do is 10 bottles because there's a lot of stress, energy, and work. So you can either order this one, 10, or you can order the bigger bottle. And if you're buying in dozen, it's still the same price. All right, because we want to give you quality, patronize your girl. I've been doing this for a long time, and now I just want to put my gift into work. So if you support my business, you are helping some people out there. Thank you so much. I love you all. I hope you're going to DM me for your order. Send in your order. We'll see you. Bye for now. Organic juice, organic natural juice, organic natural juice, organic natural juice. And if you want to do your birthday celebration, any celebration, you can actually do this as gift for people, as takeaway. We have the nice amper. We can put this in a fancy bag that you can give to your guest, and they will really, really appreciate it. All right, bye. Love you all. See you soon.